prep done for the week. I didn't portion out my chlorophyll this week. I'm gonna just do that each day. It's too many mason jars in my fridge. I'm tired of it. But my magnesium powder each day, apple cider vinegar tea with honey, turmeric, ginger. That juice I made last week, disgusting. It was watermelon and pears. So I reused that juice, but I added spinach, apples, and honey. Tastes delicious. Lunch this week is peanut butter and jelly with apple slices as my snack. Dinner, these Sweet Earth vegan frozen meals, so that's for 2 days. Then I have marinated jackfruit with seasoning, milk, hot sauce, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna dip it in some flour, throw it in my oven fryer, is that what it's called? Air fryer. And then that'll be my vegan fried chicken. I have sauteed veggies. It's like that Asian stir-fry mix with rice. And then breakfast this week is oatmeal with apple slices, oats, nutmeg, cinnamon, sugar. That's what we're eating this week, people. Have a good week.